In the year 2025, the clock is ticking louder than ever. Climate change is no longer a distant threat. It's knocking at our doors, demanding immediate action. The urgency for climate action has never been more pressing. And amidst this chaos, a glimmer of hope shines brightly. Artificial intelligence, AI. Believe it or not, AI has the potential to enhance climate prediction accuracy by a staggering 40%. Yes, you heard that right. With a little help from our silicon friends, we might just be able to outsmart Mother Nature. Imagine a world where we can predict extreme weather events with pinpoint accuracy. Gone are the days of relying solely on traditional meteorological methods that sometimes feel like playing a game of roulette. Enter AI at the superhero of climate science. AI has the remarkable ability to sift through vast amounts of data, analyzing satellite images and ocean temperatures to forecast extreme weather events. Think of it as a digital detective, piecing together clues from the universe to help us dodge the worst of what nature has to throw at us. Let's take hurricanes, for example. These swirling monsters of wind and rain can wreak havoc in mere hours, leaving communities scrambling for safety. But AI has stepped up its game, reducing prediction errors significantly. By analyzing historical data, current ocean temperatures, and atmospheric conditions, AI can provide more accurate forecasts that allow communities to prepare and respond effectively. Imagine a scenario where a coastal town receives an advanced warning of an impending hurricane, giving residents enough time to evacuate and secure their homes. That's the kind of power AI brings to the table, saving lives and minimizing destruction. But the role of AI in climate science doesn't stop there. It's not just about predicting disasters. It's also about understanding the delicate ecosystems that make up our planet. AI is like a digital cartographer, mapping vulnerable ecosystems such as coral reefs and forests, and predicting species migration patterns. For instance, let's take a closer look at the Amazon rainforest, often referred to as the lungs of the Earth. AI has the capability to predict critical tipping points in this vast ecosystem, helping scientists understand when certain thresholds might be crossed, leading to irreversible damage. Picture this. AI analyzes satellite imagery and environmental data to identify areas within the Amazon that are at risk of deforestation or climate change impacts. By pinpointing these vulnerable spots, conservationists can prioritize their efforts, deploying resources where they are needed most. In one compelling case study, researchers used AI to predict how rising temperatures and changing rainfall patterns would affect the migration of various species within the Amazon. The findings were eye-opening, revealing potential shifts in biodiversity that could have cascading effects on the entire ecosystem. With this knowledge in hand, policymakers can take action to protect these vital habitats before it's too late. Now, let's talk about the intersection of AI and policy. It's one thing to understand the science behind climate change, but it's another to translate that knowledge into effective action. This is where AI shines once again. By simulating the impacts of carbon tax policies or the adoption rates of renewable energy, AI can help policymakers make informed decisions that drive meaningful change. Imagine a bustling city grappling with air pollution and greenhouse gas emissions. With the help of AI, city planners can model various scenarios, testing the effects of implementing a carbon tax or incentivizing the adoption of solar energy. The results can be eye-opening, cities can see how these policies would not only reduce emissions, but also create jobs and stimulate the local economy. It's like having a crystal ball that reveals the potential outcomes of our choices, allowing us to choose the path that leads to a greener future. One city that has embraced this technology is San Francisco, which has been using AI models to assess the impacts of its renewable energy initiatives. By analyzing data on energy consumption, emissions, and economic factors, the city has been able to transition to greener energy solutions more effectively. The result? A cleaner, healthier environment for residents and a model for other cities to follow. AI is not just a tool, it's a catalyst for change, transforming the way we approach climate action. As we stand at this crossroads, it's clear that AI can play a pivotal role in accelerating climate action. The potential applications are vast, and the results can be transformative. However, the journey doesn't end here. We must continue to explore how AI can further enhance our understanding of climate science and empower communities to take meaningful action. So, dear readers, let's reflect on the possibilities. How can we harness the power of AI to combat climate change? What innovative ideas do you have that could help us navigate this complex challenge? The future is in our hands, and with AI by our side, we have the tools to make a difference. Let's share our thoughts, spark conversations, and work together to create a sustainable world for generations to come. After all, if AI can help us predict hurricanes, map ecosystems, and model policies, just imagine what else we can achieve when we put our minds together.